Hello and welcome. In this video course, we're going to give you an introduction to creating Facebook ads, and we're going to consider Facebook ads as the key to cheap, effective, targeted traffic. And in this course, let's do a brief introduction right now. The best way to succeed with Facebook ads is to fail, and that might sound a little strange to you. In other words, what we mean is that the more campaigns that you have in the beginning that don't work, they're going to give you new information on what you can do in the future. So in other words, you're going to have campaigns in the beginning until you know what works with your audience. The way to think of this is not that you're failing, and it's not that it's not working, and it's not that it's not going to work. The way to think of failing ads is that they are research. You are finding out what it is that your market wants and whether or not your offer is going to be a fit for them. Of course, the most important thing, and we're going to discuss this in a minute, when you're using Facebook ads is that you understand your audience. Now, you're going to have to track your campaigns, and we're going to show you how to do that with a free program called Tracking 202. Of course, you're going to be able to get a paid version if you like, and self-hosted. We're just going to have you look at the tracking system that is free and is already hosted. Now, the other thing with Facebook ads is that you're going to have to be willing, and this goes along with succeeding on Facebook and knowing that some ads are going to fail. You're going to have to be willing to get in and change and tweak your campaigns until you get them right. So this is not at the beginning going to be a set and forget strategy. It can be a very profitable strategy, but this is a change and tweak your campaigns until they're working, until you're getting, at the end of the day, more conversions. Whether or not those conversions happen as a result of CPA ads or CPA conversions, or whether or not they happen as a result of sales, whatever you're marketing, you're going to have to be willing to test and tweak your campaigns and do some A and B testing until you get them right. Now, the key to your long-term success, as we've said in Facebook, is going to be understanding your audience. This is not going to work like AdWords and AdSense. It's slightly different. The AdSense, you had to understand the keyword and you had to understand who was going to click. With Facebook ads, and we're going to show you this when you go inside of the targeting area, you are going to need to understand your audience. You're going to need to be able to understand how they're going to react to your advertisement, and you're going to need to be willing to change it until you find what starts to convert. We're going to show you how to do that. Actually going to tell you exactly how you can literally read their minds and figure out what it is that is going to work until you find the right combination of factors that will work. Okay, so, and then lastly, and this goes without saying, but it does need to be said, don't spend more money than you have. Consider that until you have a working campaign, it's not going to be smart to go into debt to do this until you figure out how you can make a campaign work. It's very important. Now, you've got some pre-made campaigns that are going to get you started, but you're still going to have to test those campaigns with the image that you put in, and then you're going to have to be able then to work with the advertisement until it works for the offer that you're using. Okay, so we're going to be talking about all these things and how you can use Facebook ads. We're going to go inside of Facebook ads and show you how you can make them work and how you can match them to your offer. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.